Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today video we are going to explain to you how to close your eBay store. Now, first of all, you need to decide and clarify a couple of things. So, the first thing is, are you going to close your store forever? Or basically you are going to just like close it for a while or for temporarily like vacation or something like that. Because close it forever is something and for vacation is another thing. Because here, as you can see in the page of close an eBay store, there is a lot of situations. If you no longer want to keep your eBay store open, we can help you close it. Before deciding to close your store, keep in mind, if you are going to be away for a while, you can put your eBay store on vacation instead of closing it. We have done that already, so you can check a video about that in our channel. Just search how to put store on eBay, put eBay store on vacation, and you will find the solution. Now, in case you didn't want any one of these, simply go to how to close your eBay store. This is how. So here's how you close your eBay store. Select cancel eBay store subscription below to go to your subscription page, which is right here. Find your active store subscription and select cancel subscription. If you have purchased any add-ons package, such as Selling Manager Pro, they will automatically be cancelled when you cancel your subscription. As you can see, here I don't have any subscription in my case, but in your case, in case you had them, then you simply have to click on cancel and it will be cancelled forever as long as you want to not use the store. People will no longer be able to buy from you and such on. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. This is how you can close your eBay store. Thank you guys all for watching and see you guys in the next video.